Hi, hello. I thought I would make this video for those that have been asking me. They've been having some trouble getting their seeds to germinate. So I have one trick that it might help you, and it's how to test the seeds in case the seeds are not viable. It means that they are not gonna germinate. The seeds naturally have a certain amount of years after they are harvested or collected from when they are going to germinate, but after that period they get old and the germination rate is less every year. So this is a germination test that I want to share with you so you can do it. What I have here with me is some of these lids of these containers, and what I did is take a piece of paper towel and I folded it in four, like just because it's the size of the lid, and then I put tape and wrote with a permanent marker the name of a seed I'm gonna germinate. Then I poured some water on top of it so it remains moist. I have another one here and I'm gonna show you all the steps. So now you're gonna get your seeds. This is how I'm gonna do it. And the same with spinach. I haven't seen a lot of success lately with these ones, so I'm wondering if they are a little bit old. Sometimes what can happen is that you leave them in a hot place. Sometimes it can happen that they have fungal disease. If you don't have paper towels, sometimes you use these cotton discs. You do the same, and make sure you make a tag. Also, I made this with those books markers, so you know what it is. Just take them to a warm place inside your house. Maybe keep them in the kitchen where you can see them. You wait and check in 3, 5, 10 days, depending on the type of vegetable. I prepared a document for you if you're interested. If you go to our website www.bayareakitchengardens.com, and if you subscribe to our newsletter, you're gonna receive a document that I prepared with 5 key elements that I think are very important in germination. If you're not familiar or you still find it hard, growing from seed is one of the hardest things you can do, because they need a lot of attention. Once they've germinated, you cannot let them dry out, for example. So if one day you're not at your place, or you know you're not gonna be there for a few days, it's not worth starting a crop from seed. You need to take care of them, check how they are doing constantly. Once they've germinated, they can dry out easily if you don't water them often, but at the same time you don't want to overwater them because you can drown them and they can rot and die. There are a lot of fungal diseases that affect seeds at this time during germination. And also, if you don't know where you're getting those seeds from, I know a lot of people exchange seeds with one another, but buying plants from a nursery, from a packet, guarantees you seeds free of diseases. Some of the most common ones and complicated ones are viruses and bacterial ones. Viruses in seeds are transmitted from seed to seed because it remains inside the plant, so some of them do. So you want to make sure you know where those seeds are coming from. I hope it's been helpful. I'm planning to update you on the result of these seeds soon.